forget to subscribe. Also, click on the bell for notifications. Hello, this is Jessica from Lily Marie Creations coming with another video. So this video is a little bit different. I have this HP Hewlett Packard that is a 17.3 touchscreen that I had bought a little bit over a year ago for my business, as well as now I'm using it for school. I did buy myself a little tiny one, but it didn't work for me. I like the speed of this one. It's an 8 gigabyte RAM, as well as I believe I got the 1 terabyte of storage, or 500. Not certain, but this cost me a pretty penny last time, as well as I upgraded it to a Windows Professional 10 on there. So that's added, as well as I have my Brilliant software on here, and you know, there's a lot of files on here that I do have on my SD card, but you know, don't want to worry about that if adding the warranty and take it out and it gets deleted on me. So I ended up getting a new screen. So right now I'm going to work on that. This is my first time doing this, but I did already remove the panel for it. I did remove all the little components to see how it works. I did change my daughter's HP some years back when she cracked the screen, so that was really easy. It's just one little belt that connects to the to use. So this time it's a touch screen, so that's why I wanted it just to see how it can do, because I was going to buy a new one, but I don't have the funds for that. Especially my washer's been ready to go since the beginning of the year, and you know, it takes us hours here for it to drain. My son and his girlfriend live with me, so it's just a battle with that machine. So it was ready, so that one's already ordered. So I got a screen, so I'm going to be changing it myself. Again, for this one, I already opened it up at work. This went kaput on Sunday on me while I was at work. Had homework due that evening, couldn't get anything done. So lately I've been trying to go into my room and use the HDMI, and been using it that way. But still, it's just the environment in there, you know, it doesn't get me motivated for anything. Especially my area is the garage I like doing my homework in, or in the kitchen. So it's 3 little components. I did again remove the whole monitor myself already. I moved belts that I shouldn't have moved, because one was for the camera, one was for the another area, which actually helped me take off the whole monitor from. So I put all those back, and just today I used my Zoom, so that's working. Tomorrow I have a test where I need my computer recording. So thankfully my monitor, I ordered it on, I believe that's Sunday or Monday, from Walmart.com with their they have you know, outside sellers. So I got that, and it was not due till next week on Tuesday, so that was really stressful, but it actually popped in today, so I am doing this video now. Okay, so this is a screen from October 3rd, 2021. When it went kaput, I couldn't get it to go back on for the computer screen. And this one is from yesterday, October 5th, 2021. Today is October 6th, 2021, when my monitor finally came in. Okay, so this is the type of laptop that I will be changing the screen on. If you need to pause it, go ahead. But here we go. Okay. So that's off. Turn back on, so I'm gonna have to shut it down first. As you can see, my monitor is dark. You can't tell that the touchscreen works, but more on my HDMI on my TV, it does work. Everything works. So let me shut this down, before I remove all the components. Oops. Okay. It's completely shut down. Let me get this closer, or okay. So on this, after popping this panel out very carefully, there's a screw right here, a screw right here, the screw right here, as well as the screw right here on this little metal. Those are the only 4 screws I need to remove. And then for the belt, it'll be underneath here, but there's a belt under here. And right here, this little, hold on, let me get this. Okay, so this little computer chip type thing is being held on by 2 little belts connected to the monitor. Let me get my new one. I'm gonna be careful with this. So these are 2 little belts that are connected to that, and then there's a little connector that is holding onto the screen. So, and then this is where the other belt goes. So these are the only 3 areas that need to be connected to your computer. And don't touch this. Hopefully all works out. All right. So right now I am going to do my best to show you how I do this. If you want like a complete how-to, call Hewlett Packard or get it taken care of under warranty. But again, like my cost, I'm trying to save some money here. Okay, so I had to wait for the Amazon to come in. Luckily, it came after 10 minutes of recording this part, which I had to pause since I didn't have the right screwdriver. Okay, well, it was like 10 minutes. My son didn't have a screwdriver. My Amazon order came in. So, got myself some computer screwdrivers, little. I went to go lie down and eat some chips. All right, I could put this in the wall. Okay. All right, so I'm taking just those 4 screws. Oh, since this is a computer screwdriver, it has these little, let's see if you can see it right there, to pop open the computer, and a little plastic hook. Okay. Okay, to remove this from here, there's actually a little belt. Let me see if I can get that closer. Okay. So I already took those off. For this to come off of here, there's a little belt here where it has like a little tape or something on here. You just have to pull that out from there, and it will allow you to remove this. And let's go to the bottom part. It's not gonna let me hold this. All right. All right. Okay, that little area down here, there's a little belt. Okay, so there's a little tape here where you need it to remove. Not remove, but hold and then just pull. Okay, and that's it. And then from here, we need this here. All right, so on the front, there's a little belt holders. You're gonna open up this. There's a little flap. All you do is clip it out and remove it. Okay, so this one I'm going to clip in. Let me try to see if I can keep it held. I'm going to close this up. And I'm going to do the same thing on here. And that's place these belts on here. Make sure they slide in. All right. And then you close it up by pulling it up so it can stay secured. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. So make sure that white goes all the way in. All right, and then secure it by closing that up. Now I am going to put the bottom part on. And it pops into the bottom. All right, so it is, hold on. Ugh. That is too close. Yeah, this one is like really, there's no lock. That's where you need the tape on here. All right. That's it for that. This one, you fold it. All right, so this right here, the one I placed in, you fold this back. I'm going to actually secure this monitor first on here before I put the little thing back. So let me move the position. Oops, wrong way. right side. And last one. All right. Not screwing in right. Unlock it. All right. All right. Just gonna. All right, and then this one also has a little belt right here for the camera. I removed that, but I put it back on, but it is working. Okay, so I am going to be closing this up, but do not close it if you're following along. But I am going to continue it to show you what component, if not connected, what happens. Then I'm going to open it back up so you can forward it from here. I'm recording. Huh?
There's a fight on my school today.
Hey, I'm recording. You can see through the mirror. Really? Hold on. I'm almost done. I had to replace the screen. There you have it. All right, let me hide my information. Okay. So this is the screen. The 17.3 high definition LCD touchscreen for the HP. I shouldn't have shut it entirely off. I think I closed all my tabs that I had open. Everything looks good. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh. You guys seen me. You guys seen me. I forgot one part. So you'll be able to see me popping this open. Let me pull this back a little bit. I forgot to screw. Okay, so the last part of it is where we're gonna get our what is it? The little connector here. I did not put it on there. And that's our touchscreen. All right. Yeah, it is in. All right. There we go. Okay, so now it's working. That was my bad. But that is the connector here. It's for the touchscreen. Let me put this back on. You've seen how I popped it off. And you want to do the top first. Make sure the bottom is popping in right. Oops, I'm touching stuff down here. I guess gotta be careful. Well, I'll fix that after. But make sure everything's on up here. There we go. There we go. There's little tabs under here. Okay. So close that up. As you can see, my touchscreen is working now. Close this. Actually, let me restore. Close that. Restore that. Let me open it up from here. Oh, never mind. It went. So, everything's touchscreen. Alright, so there you have it. It's working now. Alright, so this is Jessica for Lonely Moon Creations. Till next creation or video.